Hello Scott fans. Today I picked up a new workbench. It came from a place where I work. It's really heavy. It's out here, and look at that. Really good, strong workbench. I'll treat myself to a new vice. Check the plate doors. Really happy with that. That'll go in the garage, and I'll get plenty of use out of that. If we have a look up here, I've promised some of you, mainly my YouTube friends in America and Canada, that I would do or make a video on scrapping these combi boilers. I've got a whole heap of them here, and my estimate is close to 100 now. Hopefully the sun will last. We'll have a nice day. I can strip all these out. There's more over there. There's more under the undergrowth. It's probably going to be a 2 or 3 part video. The first one will be just getting them all out, having a look at them, and then another video on actually scrapping one out, looking at all the different components and the materials used. For example, the glass valves and the bits of copper, and there's a copper heat exchanger inside, which makes most of the value. I estimate it's about £3,000 worth of boilers here to separate. Each boiler, when new, would have cost in the region of £500, £600, up to £800. So for 100 combi boilers, I'm estimating I can get about £30 each, maybe a little bit more. My estimate of £3,000 should be somewhere. There's a solar panel in there. There's a lot. So it looks a mess now, but once they're all stripped out, we'll get the garden looking good again. A little bike here, didn't have the heart to scrap that. Old rally, old style retro rally bike. But yeah, they're the boilers. Been making a video, or like I say, a couple of videos on scrapping it. It's a glorious day. I'm now going to go and do my pickups, and tomorrow I'm going to try and get that bench in the garage. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.